the game and your UST career?
Well, syempre we're not, happy about the results. Pero personally, I'm really happy about our team. Kasi yung improvement ng mga bata from last season to this season, parang it's a big leap for them and for the UST. And I think hopefully it's something to be, excited about for the upcoming seasons for the team.
So your UAP career, you represented 2 schools, Ateneo UST, you won 1 championship. What can you say about your whole career?
Yeah, like what I've said earlier, sabi ko lang, I'm really grateful na na-experience ko to. Really grateful na, I've been to Ateneo, I've been to, UST. And, really grateful for the experiences, yung wins, yung losses, yung learnings, and just really absorbing everything and, trying to be present. And, just being thankful for everything.
Sportsky, sa Ateneo, you were one of the younger guys na kumbaga, ikaw yung nililid. Pero pagdating mo sa UST, you had to step up and be one of the leaders for, up and coming team. So kumbaga, yung short 2 years stint mo sa UST, when you talk about how it really helped your maturity as a person, as a player?
Well, yung leadership ko naman kasi sila rin yung nagpadala yung teammates ko. Kasi I'm just one of the guys. I'm just one of them. And syempre may respeto sila kasi mas matanda ako. Pero on a normal basis, on a daily basis, para lang kami magtatropa and pero alam namin kung kailan na magseseryoso when it's business time. Alam namin kung kailan magseryoso and that's what I really like about our team.
Fourth, you were quite emotional when you sang the alma mater earlier. And then, pero even still, you were lifting everyone up, sila Kyle, sila Lilan. So, can you just talk about still being a leader at the end?
Well, mahirap kasi it's our, last hymn na for UAP career. And just, really thankful about everything. And yung leadership din naman siguro natatapos sa court lang and just trying to be light to our boys and but we're good.
Sorry to stick with the topic, but
okay.
Fourth, you've talked about being accepted by your younger teammates, but just the acceptance of the UST community as a whole. How has it been for the past 2-3 years, and how thankful are you with the type of acceptance that they gave you when you transferred here?
From the decision that I made pa lang na mag-commit sa UST, from Coach Pido, nung nag-dinner kami, they really welcomed me na parang, like in open arms and parang, like what I said earlier, parang kaming friends, ganun yung trato niya sa akin nun eh. And yung pag-welcome nila sa akin, nag-extend to kila Father Rodel, through our IPEA officers, sa admin namin doon, our professors, and the community, the classmates. And maging thankful lang rin talaga ako kasi binigyan nila ako ng second chance sa UAP career.
Any standout moments that you'll never forget from this UST stint?
Well, it's more of dami kasi naming bondings off the court, and so really yun yung ma-miss ko about them, yung off the court stuff. Well, syempre, obviously the on the court, pero I'm just really excited for them for the upcoming seasons, and I really wish them well for the upcoming seasons.
Fourth game, you said second chance sa UST. Do you think ngayon na it's over? Do you think na you were able to leave it all before na?
Yeah, I think I gave it all naman kanina, and wala naman talaga ako pinagsisihan kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko rin last year, ang pangit ng exit ko, ejected ako, and sabi ko sana another chance sana para makabawi, but then hindi napunta sa atin, pero just really thankful na experience ko pa rin to, and really gave it all sa what about preparations kung saan ko man gusto pumunta. I think I'm not yet there sa level na gusto namin, so I'm gonna be preparing for it.